Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the trading disabled issue in MetaTrader 5. So if you're trying to trade and the option isn't working, follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's dive in. First, one reason trading might be disabled is if you have a brand new account. In that case, you'll need to make a deposit before you can start trading. So if your account is new, just add some funds and trading should be unlocked. If you've already deposited and it's still not working, we'll try another fix. If you're using Android, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down until you find Apps, then tap on it. Now, look for Manage Apps or App Management and open it. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type MetaTrader 5 to quickly find the MetaTrader 5 app. Once you see it, tap on MetaTrader 5 to open the app settings. Now, tap on Force Stop and then tap OK to confirm. This will completely close the app and stop it from running in the background. After that, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Data and select Clear Cache, then confirm. Next, tap Clear Data, then confirm. This will reset the app's temporary files and settings that might be causing the trading problem. If you're on iPhone, the best solution is to uninstall and reinstall the app since iOS doesn't have a Clear Cache option. This removes old data and often fixes trading bugs. Now, open MT5 again, and trading should now be working properly. Another reason trading might be disabled is simply that the market is closed. If that's the case, you just need to wait until trading hours resume. And that's it. Following these steps should get your MetaTrader 5 trading back on track. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe.